Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to apply Kirchhoff's voltage law in an electrical circuit. So first of all I will tell you statement of Kirchhoff's voltage law. Kirchhoff's voltage law states that in a closed path the algebraic sum of all EMFs and voltage drops is equal to 0. Now how we can apply that voltage law in a network, that I will show you. So here there are two EMFs E1 and E2 in this circuit, and voltage drop across R1 is suppose V1, voltage drop across R2 is suppose V2, and voltage drop across R3 is suppose V3. Now suppose when we apply EMFs, current is passing through this direction, in this direction, like clockwise. Now first of all I will give you signs to EMFs and voltage drop. So here there is negative terminal, so I will just give negative sign over here and positive over here. When current will pass in this direction, left to right, there will be voltage drop. So you can give direction like this one signs like this, positive and negative, again positive, negative. Here there is negative terminal, so I will just give negative sign over here and positive over here. For V3 the current is passing like this, so I will give positive over here and negative over here. Now I can apply KVL in this loop. So applying KVL in this loop, we can write equation like, we will start from E1. So when we are traveling from negative to positive, we have to take positive sign. So this is positive E1. Then we will move forward in this direction. So here positive sign is coming first and then negative. So for V1 we can give negative sign, because we are moving from positive to negative. That means it is decrement. So minus of V1. Again positive to negative means minus of V2. Then E2 is coming, so minus to positive, that means increment. So you have to take positive sign. Again we are moving towards this direction, so we are going positive to negative, means negative sign, minus of V3, and we are coming back over here, it is equal to 0. That means algebraic sum of all EMFs and voltage drop is equal to 0. Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to apply Kirchhoff's current law in a circuit. So first of all I will tell you what is KCL and what is the statement of KCL. So Kirchhoff's current law states that algebraic sum of all the currents meeting at the point or junction is equal to 0. Now what is the meaning of algebraic sum? Algebraic sum means you have to take direction wise addition. So here there is one network. Here we can say that current I1 is going like this, left to right. Here we have junction or meeting point. Now this current will divide into 3 parts. So here suppose current I2 is there, and I3 over here, and here I4. Now this I4 and I3 will sum up at this particular junction, and you can get here suppose I5. So now we want to apply here, this junction name is suppose A and this junction name is suppose B. Now I am applying KCL at junction A. So I have to write algebraic sum. So suppose for incoming current I am taking positive sign, and outgoing current I am taking negative sign. So for I1 the sign will be positive, I1 is incoming to towards the junction, and I2, I3 and I4, they are moving out from the junction. So I can just take negative sign for them. So minus of I2, minus of I3, minus of I4 is equal to 0. So this is the equation of KCL for junction A. Now suppose you want to write equation for junction B. So applying KCL at junction B. At junction B, I3 is incoming current, I4 is incoming current, and I5 is outgoing current. So you can write like incoming current, I am taking positive sign. So positive of I3, positive of I4, negative of I5 is equal to 0. In other words, you can say that incoming current is equal to outgoing current for any junction.